Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox mixed fruit juice. Now, this being the holy month of Ramadan, we can definitely try this during your Iftar parties. For this, we start with adding chopped papaya. We've peeled one full pomegranate and we'll add these kernels. We'll then top this up with some apples which are nicely chopped. We will then add one orange which is cut and de-seeded completely. We will then top this up with some guavas which I have diced and placed separately. We will then top this up with some lemon juice. Now, lemon juice will provide us with a tangy taste and also refreshing taste. We will then top it up with some salt, add some water enough to completely submerge all these fruits. While we grind this, a quick recap of all the fruits that we've used. Now you see that the juice is ground and now we run it through the sieve so that all the hard particles come out. We then add some honey. Honey is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the dish to be. We will add some pepper for taste and some chaat masala to this. Our mixed fruit juice is ready to be had.